Alright, today I'll be showing you how to add a YouTube video to your Weebly page. So what you have to do is open up Safari and search for a video you'd like to add to your Weebly on YouTube. Find a video you'd like to add to your Weebly. Alright, from here what you want to do, right after you open up your video, you want to select the share button in the top right hand corner of your video and copy the URL. Open your Weebly app. Log into your Weebly account.
Alright, now we will tap the plus sign and drag and drop the YouTube icon. Alright, so now we click on the YouTube element and paste the YouTube URL in. And then after we're done with that, we press done. Alright, after everything's good, you press preview and then publish.